Hello guys, welcome to my channel Creative Nest. In this tutorial, we will be learning how to paint a very simple sunset near beach painting. For this, the material required are given here. Firstly, I am applying masking tape in such a way. Now I am taking red color in my flat brush and applying it all over the surface. Now I am adding maroon color and blending both the colors together. Now let's make some cloud. For this I am taking orange color in my round brush and creating some cloud-like patterns. For the sun, I am using chrome yellow color. Now I am taking white color and blending both the colors together. Now I will be removing the masking tape and painting the rest over area. I am taking red color in my flat brush and making a clear sharp edge. Now painting all over the surface using red color. Now I am applying maroon color and blending both the colors together. Now I will be using orange color and blending all the three colors together. We will be creating the reflection of the sun using chrome yellow color. Now I will be making very fine lines using my zero brush to create wave-like patterns. Now I am using black color and creating a hill-like structure. Now I will be making grass-like structure all over the surface of the hill. Now let's draw some palm trees using black color. and it's done. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching.